I have used these colors before, but I don't think I've used them in this combination, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen. So I will push some things out of the way. Oh, no, canvas, don't do that. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to only add it to some of the colors, and by some I only mean 2. I'm going to add it to the quinacridone magenta. I really gotta clean off my edges. And the bright aqua green Liquitex Basics. So 2 Liquitex Basics paints, but nonetheless. Okay. I wanted to see what was going to happen when I didn't add it to all the paints and just some. Ooh, that came out a little bit quicker than I wanted. Silicone. Okay, so now I have a dark and a light that has silicone in it, so I'm interested to see how that's going to play out. I am also going to be using Grumbacher in Dioxazine Purple, very deep, very pretty, and Artist's Loft Cerulean Blue. Very sky, pretty blue. And Liquitex Basics in Payne's Gray. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this as base color yet. I'm still kind of debating on it. So, add some purple first. I really gotta grab a rag because I'm just gonna get stuff everywhere otherwise. Oh, come on, sticks, get off. No, you're not happy. There we go. Success! Ah, I painted the actual table underneath now. Great. Okay. So I have Dioxazine. Now I'm gonna add this. And the gray. Okay, so I'm not going to use it as a base color, I'll use white. But I just needed it as a separator for dark. This is a little bit lighter than that, so I'll call it... I know it's a little bit of like, not really what you want, but okay. Go me. Blue. Start purple again. I'm trying to like mix it up a bit, so I'm just gonna put the blue back on top, see what happens. And then I'll do pink, gray, green. Pink. Gray. Green. Excuse me. Okay, that's enough paint. Kind of came out cool too. Gray looks more like black, but whatever. Add some lids to some things. I'm gonna clean up some edges first. It's nice that they seal, but it's also a pain when they're a little dirty. me! Knocked over my silicone. Move that out of the way for now. Bring my canvas back over here. And that's cool. Okay. So now for the fun part. I'm gonna try something a little bit different. Again. I enjoy experimenting. Before I started YouTubing, I was a biotech student. Hard left. I much enjoy this a lot more. So, I'm happy. So, not too much paint, as you can see. I'm just trying to get it to go around the cup, at least. I'll spread it out a little bit away as well, just to help it. Oh, there's a little bit of blue left on my palette knife. Oh well, I'll just spare. I thought I got it all off. Oh well. Okay, filled. I'll call that good. Oh, I need to wash rags and stuff. So I'm gonna let that sit for a second. So, if you have not noticed, I've been trying to premiere my videos. Please talk. I don't bite. I promise, I don't bite. It'd be nice to hear from you. I get shyness. I really do. And all I can hear is the ice cream truck outside my house right now. Can you hear that? There he goes. Okay. Let's do something like that. These are neat. Okay. I'm gonna torch this first because I can see things like... No, I am not. I'm going to tilt it first. I'm very indecisive, and I'm sorry. There's a bubble. Let's see what I can make of this. Oh, this is pretty. Do need to run some of that off though. Ooh. Deal with that corner in a bit. It's a neat composition so far. Push it back this way. That is one big bubble. Okay. Isn't that neat looking so far though? It's neat to watch all the cells decide to be like, hi! slow going today. Wow. There we go. Okay, a little bit more. At least this way I can tap, tap, tap around my corners. There. I've got to take off my gloves and torch this, because that is really cool so far. I've never tried putting so little silicone. Like, usually I put silicone in all my colors because I'm like a cell monger and I love looking at paintings with so many cells, but I wanted to see what would happen if I put only silicone in 2 of the colors. I must say, so far I'm really impressed, and I just watched a fruit fly land in it. Whatever. I'll vaporize them in a minute. Whew. Like, I'm curious to see what's gonna happen here. Oh, whoa. Ha! That's cool. But I'm also trying not to cook my paint at the same time. So, there's that. Cool. I'm really happy with that. That's so cool. Well, I shall get you down and give you a close-up once this sells out a little bit more. Well, like I said, I hadn't really experimented with this kind of abstract painting before. I was just like silicone and everything, almost, except my like base layer, and that was about it. And I must say, I'm very, very happy with how this came out. Any other random cells that probably happened were because I used Floetrol, and Floetrol naturally creates cells on its own. So, yeah. I really am in love with this Grumbacher Prussian blue. I like their Prussian blue as well, but I meant to say dioxazine purple. Also, it mixed really, really nice with the cadmium. I am all over the place, and I am sorry, my quinacridone magenta. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below. Like this video if you like this painting. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell so you know when I upload stuff like this. Share with your friends to spread the love, and I will see you next time.